Where ocean meets horizon, Villa Amalia rests, serene and timeless. The spirit of celebration rises, and in quiet harmony, the villa awakens to its rhythm. Mornings begin with endless blue, days unfold in privacy and serenity. The spirit moves gently through the villa, and in gratefulness, Amalia responds, alive. Amalia is celebrated through refined, sweeping ocean views overlooking Guana Bay. Built to embrace light, crafted not only to impress, but also to be experienced. Marble stone and open space with craftsmanship meet the rhythm of the island. At the edge of sea and sky, the spirit embraces the greenery of Amalia, truly timeless. Terraces, infinity pool wellness spaces with private courts blend in unison, ensuring comfort and elevated living. Within Amalia, the natural rock and sculpted architectural design feels both powerful and serene. To own Villa Amalia is to live where the island's energy, culture, and celebration of life never fades.